Hello, good Sunday morning. I prepared chicken lumpia, Shanghai lumpia. Alright, first hotdog and chicken overripe and parsley and also carrots, and we have egg for the ingredients are, and also we have more. Okay, so I make the blender first the carrots and the parsley. Yes. Parsley, pagkatapos ng parsley, ay the chicken, mix chicken for blender again. You like, look, manok agad at hotdog chicken. So now finish all, it's ready. So I prepare this, start to prepare my ingredients. Yes, and onion. Next, after onion, carrots, after carrots, egg, one egg only. Okay, I know more one egg because it's too much chicken and the ingredients. So next, powder garlic. Yep. Then nor like nor cubes powder, and then soya sauce, oyster sauce, and mix. Okay, ayan po, inahalo natin ang ating mga ingredients. Haluin ang haluin para maging pantay ang lasa. Ayan. So now, ihanda ang mga lumpia wrapper. Yan. Prepare the lumpia wrapper and fold this. So start to fold like that, long, and then and cut this. Look. And cut in the center. Putulin sa gitna, maging dalawa yan. Ayan po. Okay na siya. Ayan, cut in the center. So naging dalawa yan. So it's ready. Now, all it's ready. Handa na lahat eh. Isa natin ang pad. Freezer. Nagtigas sa freezer dyan. Lagay ko sa freezer kasi binubukasan ko palutuin. Ayan. Okay. Alright. Ayan. Slowly fire. Tandahan sa apoy para hindi masunog. Ayan po. Okay. Ayan. Ready na. Yummy. Start to eating this. Okay. Look. Brown. Wow. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.